Hey, this is Mr. Peak, and this is an addendum to the 7th video, and we're going to look at a little bit at hammer-ons and pull-offs and how important they are when you're playing this kind of style because it can make you speedier. And I just want to make sure and clarify, I'll probably say this a few times before this is over, but the marking is going to be kind of confusing in this software. Just be aware that the fingerings are written underneath the notes, and the picking with the right hand is above the notes. So even though these little claw things are pretty high above these, they reference the notes underneath. The downward facing claw is a downstroke, and then the little caret thing pointing up or pointing down, that's an upstroke. Alright, so like here you have downstroke, upstroke, upstroke, and that'll help. But looking at, we'll start with measure 7 and 8. And if you look at the very beginning there, I want to make sure you can see my right hand. It's pretty easy. One nice thing about pentatonic, because there's 2 notes per string, is you can do hammer-ons and pull-offs like crazy. And once you get past this first part, oops, sorry. Alright, so that was that stroke with my right hand. I'm going down, up, down, and then the next thing I do is up, and there's a pull-off. See that? And that flows really nicely from the right hand because I'm going down, up, down, and then even though I'm crossing a string, it's the downstroke. Alright. And then because I'm going the same direction, in this case, this is one of the rare times where I recommend the sweep pick thing. So I'm going, so notice how I did that? So we're looking at the second beat, or sorry, the third beat of the measure. Beat 1 is a rest. You got beat 2 where you're picking. On the third beat, you pick the first one down. Sorry. So you start, sorry. Alright, so that's the first part of beat 3, excuse me. And then you pick up, pull off, and then another upstroke, and then a downstroke, upstroke. So you're going to notice that your hand's going to move like this slowly. So down, up, down, upstroke with a pull off, and then an upstroke, and then a downstroke, upstroke, pull off, upstroke, and then downstroke with a hammer on with the pinky, downstroke, hammer on, and then downstroke, up, down. Alright, so again, watching the right hand. Alright, and I tried to exaggerate that a little bit, but if you watch that and look at the tab that includes the strokes, downstrokes and upstrokes, that should help clarify that a little bit.